Okay, adding and subtracting with the decimal. First word is benchmark. Are familiar numbers used to help estimate an equivalent? I don't have that. Examples: 25, 50, 75, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you're talking bigger numbers, 100, 200, 300. Second one is rounding, is going to a certain place value. So my example is 10 and 49 hundredths. I want to round to the nearest 10th place. So remember, the clue is 0 to 4 stays the same, 5 to 9 go one more or raise the score. A decimal, it is part of a whole. He's pretty powerful. When adding or subtracting, always line up the decimal. This is an important one. Okay. Then we have the place values. We have the tenth, and it can be written as a decimal with a decimal and the tenth, 1/10, or 1/10 as a fraction, or an example of it is 1/10. Hundredth is 100th. It's in the hundredths place. There's nothing in the tenths place, or 1/100th, or it's 1 out of all these hundreds. The thousandths is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 1/1000ths, 1/1000ths. And you see this arrow here? It represents that this whole square goes in that tiny little spot, and you only get one strip of that when it's broken into 10 spots. So 1/10 is not very much. Sequence, order list of numbers, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and a term, each number in a sequence. So 5 is a term, 10 is a term, 15 is a term, and 20 is a term. Those are your notes for that unit.